You gonna growl again? Are you growling at us? Oh, now you're just squeaking. Oh my! Oh my! Your mama's gonna come flying over. Oh, there she is. Hi, Mama. It's so sweet. There's Mom. Hi, Mama. Yes, they're fine. Who else is squeaking? I turned the camera off a couple seconds ago and we started squeaking.
It's all growling. Let me just get this back up. Yep. Good.
You guys.
Oh. I don't know. I'm not hurting this.